Hello everyone. Are you planning to give TCS NQT 2026 and don't know how shortlisting actually happens and what is the real preparation roadmap, how to move from Ninja to digital or prime? Then this video is going to save your months of confusion. Because in this video, I will explain how TCS filters your profile and hidden short tricks which you can utilize and complete preparation roadmap along with a I'm planning to make a dedicated playlist which I'm going to launch for TCS NQT preparation. If you are targeting mass recruiters with smart preparation and not just random preparation, this channel is for you. So let's start with the most important thing, understanding the exam structure. So this is the exam structure where you will be having numerical ability questions and verbal ability questions, reasoning ability questions, given time duration as 25 minutes for each. And in advanced section, you will be having advanced quantitative and reasoning ability, advanced coding, each of 25 minutes and 90 minutes. Total, you will be having 190 minutes duration. So coming to the numerical ability questions, you will be having questions based on percentages, profit and loss, time and work, and time, speed and distance ratio in proportion. Likewise, in verbal ability, you will be having synonyms like choose the synonym of rapid word and also antonyms, sentence correction, reading comprehension, and also fill in the blank likewise questions. In coming to the reasoning ability questions, you will be having number series like pattern recognition, given numbers, you have to find out the next number, and coding, decoding like questions for letter shifting likewise. Blood relations, if A is B's brother, B is his mother, how is A related to C, like that, family tree logic. And direction sense questions, for example, Ravi walks 10-meter north, then 5-meter east. Where is the where he formed the starting point? Likewise, questions distance and direction. Also, in this reasoning ability, seating arrangement like five people sit in a row. Who sits in the middle? Likewise, arrangement logic questions. This you can prepare well, and I will be preparing a dedicated playlist for this section. Coming to the advanced quantitative and reasoning ability, you will be having uh, concepts related to permutation and combination, also probability questions, quadratic equations, and data interpretations. Likewise, also in advanced reasoning, you will be having syllogisms, like input output pattern machine logic, also like puzzle, like for example, seven people are there, seven floors are there, different professions, who lives on which floor. Likewise, multivariable reasoning, statement and assumptions. For example, the statement would be the company should increase salaries to retain employee. Assumption, critical reasoning concept. Likewise, questions can be may be asked. In advanced coding, you will be having two coding questions. First, on which they may be asked based on linked list, trees, graphs, or dynamic programming concepts, recursion, and also backtracking. These concepts are very common in TCS NQT exams. Coming to the next, we have one thing like most people think that if you clear the exam you will get the job. No, it is wrong. Clearing the exam only makes you eligible for the interview. So your final selection depends on how your resume is, how you do your resume, and technical round score, how will you answer in your technical round, and interview performance, how will you answer, and your communication skills. Matters the most these matter the most, and you will be eligible for placement only due to these reasons, not just if you have cleared the exam. And next, I'm going to explain you some tricks which using which you will be getting insights about how to get into it. Like the first trick could be resume keywords. TCS shortlisting is resume driven. Your resume must contain projects with proper tech stack. Like if you are working on full stack projects, you should be mentioning which programming language you have been chosen, and related tech stack you should be choosing, and complete project keywords should be used in that. At least one strong domain should be used. And if you have done any certifications related to NPTEL, Coursera, or TCS ION, you should have mentioned in your resume, so that chances for you getting selected is increased. And the next step trick is strong TR score. To get for the digital or prime role, you must attempt both coding questions. If you are able to attempt only one coding question, then also you are eligible, but it is recommended that you attempt both questions. One should be you should pass test cases for all the test cases in one question. Try to attend both, and it will be a benefit for you. Write optimized code. Like if you know oops concept likewise, you should be able to code clean, so the it will be a great impact, it will add a great impact on your interviewer, so that chances for you to getting selected will be more. And avoid only brute force. Most people try only brute force method, like which will increase the complexity of the program. You should avoid it. And the next trick is smart selection strategy. Like you don't need to know 100%. Just you need high accuracy and smart question selections. It means if you are stuck in one of the questions during the round, which you have foundation round or coding round or anything, you should be smart enough to think wisely and decide which question you should be solving. And based on the time you have left with, you should decide which question to be left out and which question you are able to solve. You should decide in that time constraint. Coming to the next, and this is one of the most important which matters, is communication. For ninja role also, many students get rejected because of poor communication. You should improve your communication skills in such a way that you should be able to explain them clearly, and be flexible in talking. Like it should be like you are having a conversation with the interviewer, not just having a question answer session. Likewise, you should communicate. The next comes is a complete preparation roadmap. If you are planning for getting prepared for the TCS NQT exam, in the remaining days which I have left, from it will be starting from March 20. So you will be having approximately 26 to 27 days. First of all, you should be focusing on aptitude. It is main one of the important marks gaining round. So you should be focusing on it. Daily you have to solve one quant type topic, and reasoning topic, also verbal topic. You should cover these daily. You should solve these type of problems daily. You will be having many platforms which will be providing these type of questions. You should be able to tackle those questions easily. And then the focusing area would be for as I have discussed, which what type of questions will be there in foundation round. There will be questions on percentages, ratios, time and work, profit and loss, and also numerical system, blood relations, seating arrangements, and also parajumbles. These you have to focus in every day. You have to solve this type of questions as much as possible, so that you can get prepared well. And next, coming to the coding round, this is the most important and selection criteria round, where most people fail. You should be learning coding and solving DSA. You should, first of all, you should choose one programming language. Either you choose Java, Python, C, or C++. Most programmers choose C++ due to its faster execution, and also other use the Python because it is it you can write easy to write the code in Python. And also some people choose Java. You can choose as you prefer. And if you are targeting for a digital or prime role, this is the deciding factor. You should be good in coding and prepare well for that. The concepts you should be looking for are, first of all, you should be good in arrays. You should be good in arrays, like any questions related to arrays, you should be able to solve. And strings are also important. You should be good at functions and basic recursion. These based on the role you are getting, you should be advanced level in recursion, and you should be having some knowledge about sorting algorithms and searching algorithms. These are like basic functionalities of programming, but you have to prepare for dynamic programming, recursion, and backtracking. Trees, graphs, those concepts are advanced, comes under advanced coding. So you should prepare well for those concepts. Like practice platform, you have TCS previous year questions, and you should solve the easy to medium DSA problems. Coming up to the interview preparation, you should be able to you should be able to answer these most commonly asked questions in the interview, that are oops concept, which are you will be having four pillars of oops. You should be able to explain with real world examples, and you should have good knowledge about DBMS. And if they ask any SQL queries, you should be able to answer them, and you should be knowing your projects line by line, like whatever you have mentioned in your project, you should be able to explain to the interviewers. And also one more thing, you HR questions, they will be asking HR questions like what are your interests in, what are your hobbies, and what are your strengths and weakness, why should we hire you, and where do you see yourself in next 5 years. Those type of questions you should be able to answer efficiently and communicate well with the interviewer. So that's it for today. I will be providing you the playlist for how to prepare for 2026 TCS NQT. So stay connected, subscribe to my channel, and hit the like button. Comment if you have any doubts. Thank you. That's it for today.